Hi guys, Mike here, the sound guy for you, and I'm back here. And I wanted to try out a one of the many microphones that I have as a cheap alternative to recording sound with your smartphone. There are many microphones on the market that you can get for to use as to record audio, better quality audio with your smartphone. Uh, some cost a lot of money, and others don't cost that much. But I have here a Boya microphone. Uh, I don't have the package with me, so I'm not sure what model this is. But see if I can get it focused here. Okay. Um, this is just a microphone that you can, it's a stereo mic that you can uh, plug into your whatever, like if you have a DSLR. As you can see, it's got the mounting bracket to uh, hook onto your hot shoe. And It's battery powered, so you don't really need to have phantom power with this because it already has its own power with it. But so you can have the benefit of a condenser microphone to plug into your phone and not have to worry about having a separate phantom power device with it. Um, but I wanted to try this test out and see how it sounds. I haven't really tried this Boya microphone out for a long time, but as you could see, it does have the if I get it in focus there. As you can see, it's got on the on and off switch. It has the ability to give you two different stereo fields. It has a 90-degree field, and you can also pick a 120 degree field with it. So that's kind of nice that it gives you that choice with it. It doesn't have a low cut filter, so but it's a very inexpensive microphone. So, I'm going to try this out. I'm going to plug this in, and so I'm going to pause the video here, and the next audio you will be hearing will be this Boya stereo microphone. And so I'll be back in a second. Okay, I am back, and I am recording now with the Boya stereo condenser microphone. I have picked the 120 degree field stereo selection with it on the back here for the on and off switch. As I mentioned, you can pick that selection, if I can get it in focus here. Okay, maybe not. Anyway, it does allow you to pick 120 or a 90 degree stereo field. As I mentioned, excuse me, I haven't recorded with this microphone for a long time, so I'm not really sure. I can't remember how it sounds, so that's why I wanted to try it out. I'm checking out right now the left and right stereo to see how that sounds. It's supposed to be considered a shotgun microphone. Uh, I don't know how good that would work. I've got several shotgun mics. I have a Rode microphone here that connects to my phone that has it. As you can see, it comes with its own dead cat for outdoor recording. Uh, and That works pretty good. The only thing about it is it only records in mono. But anyway, I just wanted to test this out and see how it sounded. maybe you guys can let me know what you think of the sound of this Boya microphone. Okay, I am back. I wanted to go ahead and add a different microphone in this video for a test out uh, and just see how it compared with the mic I just used. Um, and with this microphone right here, the Boya stereo condenser microphone. Uh, and so I'm wanting to try out my Rode Video Mic Me, and this microphone just plugs right, goes ahead and plugs right into the side of your headphone connection. One thing that I have recently I put on order. I don't know when I'm going to get it. With the way some of these things take in the mail to get to you, but I decided that I want to try a different kind of a microphone connection, which I recently heard about, and that is the lightning port connection. And the type of connection I ordered. Of course, it plugs right into your, where you plug in your power cord into your phone to charge it up. But this particular device has a microphone input on the other end of it. So you plug it into your charger port, and then you have your 3.5 millimeter connection where you can just plug, whatever microphone you want to plug into. And that kind of takes the place of having to worry about getting, a microphone that's got a TRRS connector to it. Although those work, pretty good too. But anyway, I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to plug in the Rode Video Mic Me and see how that sounds. So I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and I am now recording with the Rode Video Mic Me shotgun condenser microphone. I'm going to assume that it's going to be sounding a lot better than the Boya microphone that I just tried out. The Boya microphone actually sounded kind of tinny. But I didn't really spend a whole lot of money on that particular microphone. I mean, it works, but it doesn't have any low end to it. The highs weren't really all that great either. I mean, the bottom line is that the sound I get from recording with this microphone didn't really sound any better than my sound I get from the onboard microphones of my Galaxy S9 Plus. So, but anyway, like I said, currently I am recording with my Rode Video Mic Me, and I spent considerably more amount of money on this particular microphone than this Boya microphone. So I am going to assume that it sounds quite a bit better. There's a lot of different microphones on the market nowadays. And one of them that I have tried out here in one of my videos is this microphone right here, which comes under, a lot of different brand names. This one, particular one I got is supposed to be made by a company called Newer. I guess that's how you pronounce it. Anyway, but it's the Newer NW700. And this microphone is actually really works pretty good for the amount of money I spend on it. I think I spent like $15 on this microphone, and it came with like a pretty long cable, which has an XLR connector, so you can connect it here. But it only has a 3.5 millimeter connector on the other end of it. But it sounds pretty good. So anyway, but I just wanted to point that out, that I have a lot of different microphones besides this one I'm using right now. So anyway, I am going to pause this video, and I'm going to check out this microphone right here. So I will be right back, and you guys can let me know what you think of this microphone here, which I'm using right now, which is the Rode Video Mic Me. So I will pause the video right now. Okay guys, I am back, and I am currently recording with the newer NW700 condenser microphone. I tried to see if I could, if this would plug in from my Zoom H6 by means of my TRRS adapter, and I just could not get it to work. So therefore I am just recording this microphone here onto the my Zoom H6, and I'm just going to match up the audio with my video here, and that way you'll be able to hear how this sounds. So that's the unfortunate thing with some of these microphones that require phantom power. The only way I can get them to work is to record it, onto a separate device, such as my Zoom H6, and then I have to go through the process of transferring the audio onto my phone, and then I have to get on, a software. Actually a video editor that I have, and I can match up the audio with the video. But anyway, as I mentioned, you are listening to the newer NW700 condenser microphone, and as I might have mentioned, I only get the frequency range on this is 20 to 16,000 kilohertz. But it still sounds pretty good. I'm going to end this video right now because I think my wife just came home and I want to greet her. So you guys can let me know how you think this sounded. Give me any comments or whatever you'd like to do. And this is a sound guy for you signing off, and talk to you later.